In this short video, I'll guide you on how to find your lost AirPods, regardless of their connection status. Misplacing your Apple AirPods can be a nerve-wracking experience, can't it? Don't worry, I'll guide you on how to locate it. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on how to find your lost AirPods. If you're an iPhone user and have Find My enabled, you can likely track down your lost AirPods. Here's what to do. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Tap Devices and select your AirPods from the list. You'll see its last known location on a map, or it might say no location found if they're offline. If it's nearby, tap Find and follow the instructions on the screen. Your device will use increasing Bluetooth signal and haptic feedback to guide you closer to your AirPods, like a treasure hunt. If you still can't pinpoint them, then use the Play Sound feature. The chime from each of the AirPods will help you locate them. Remember to play the sound only when you are very close to it, but can't quite locate it. This way, the thief is not alerted to run away with no one in sight. Here's another method to find your missing AirPods. If you have AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or AirPods 3rd generation, there are additional features like the ability to use the Find My network of nearby Apple devices to transmit their location anonymously, even if your AirPods are offline. This increases your chances of finding them significantly, even if they're far away. Also, if your AirPods are completely missing, activate Lost Mode. This locks them to your Apple ID, then displays a custom message on the device of anyone who tries to connect, and when they come online again it notifies you. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue activating Lost Mode. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Select your AirPods from the devices list. On the screen, swipe up and tap Activate Lost Mode. Optionally, you can add a contact number and message to be displayed on anyone's device that tries to connect to your AirPods. Once activated, Lost Mode will lock your AirPods to your Apple ID and notify you when they come online again. For Android users looking to find their missing AirPods, unfortunately, the Find My app doesn't work for AirPods on Android phones. However, you can try a third-party app like One to Find. Remember, these apps rely on Bluetooth signal strength, so they only work if your AirPods are charged and within Bluetooth range. Also, they won't work if the AirPods are in their case. If you follow these steps and use the available features for your specific AirPods model, your chances of finding your lost AirPods will be greatly increased. To explore more Apple-related video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.